Show up. Okay, hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I have from a while ago. My cousin Carly gave it to me, and she may not be up there because I ordered it like 7 months ago, and I was 7, but now I'm 8, and I posted a video earlier, and it said that my birthday was in 6 days, so I hope